Is your hair very fine and lacking body and volume? Then you need HairX Volume Boost shampoo and leave-in conditioner. It gives you great volume and the hair is going to look fantastic. Volumax Complex with Ceramide increases volume and energy of the hair and make hair less flyaway. If your hair looks greasy and limp shortly after washing, then you have oily hair. HairX Pure Balance Shampoo with Vida Pro Complex will reduce oil buildup. It contains vitamin E and menthol that invigorates your scalp, leaving your hair clean and fresh for longer. HairX Pure Balance Conditioner is designed especially for greasy hair and will add extra shine to your hair without weighting it down. If your scalp is itchy and producing white flakes, you have dandruff. HairX Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, Conditioner and Scalp Treatment with Clarisync targets dandruff to achieve a balanced and soothed scalp, leaving it clean and refreshed. This range effectively fights dandruff while the conditioning agent helps to ensure that the hair looks healthy, manageable and silky soft.